Hey my students of class 6 standard. So today I am here to explain you part 2 of the chapter A Date with Gravebird. Okay, which I told in part 1 and we have done very wonderfully, and I know you students might be waiting for part 2 summary explanation, right? What actually happened? So questions might be arising in your mind. What would have happened? Was the boy able to hunt that greybeard, or the greybeard hunted him only, or whatever has happened? We never know. So let me tell you the clear picture. Now in this I have as you can see how I make my book dirty by writing a lot of word meanings. Okay, now in stanza 1 I have marked some of the important lines. Now the time has finally come, students, where the boy got a chance and a golden opportunity to hunt that particular this beard. His father made him ready. He was ready with the pistol and the shotgun, guns loaded, and his father patted. Patted means thapthapana. My soldier, see what you get. The old one, he whispered with a smile. So the boy was very much happy that what he is going to. Now in the forest everyone reached, and finally they captured, everyone captured their own position behind the bush and all. They captured their own position और सब लोग एकदम अपने गन के साथ, ड्रम के साथ तैयार थे to start hunting. Next one, I scrambled up the steep slope. Next is look at my scale. Scrambled means climb. वो ऊपर चढ़ने लगा slope पे. कौन? The narrator. Determined to outdistance the others and find the best possible place of concealment. Concealment means hiding. Now shall I tell the summary? स्टूडेंट्स, अब यहाँ पे नरेटर बोलता है कि सब लोग अपना अपना पोजीशन पे खड़े हो गए. अभी नरेटर अकेला खड़ा था. कुछ दूरी पे उसके फादर भी ही वाज स्टैंडिंग. वो नरेटर वैली पे जाने लगा. वहां पे जाके अपना क्लिफ के ऊपर वो एक बुश था, बुश के पीछे वो छिप गया. ही हाइडेड हिमसेल्फ ताकि ग्रेबर्ड उसको देख ना पाए. कम टू दिस फर्स्ट केम. अब now my lovely students, look at this. First came a doe. Doe means female deer, feminine gender, blundering past me in panic stricken flight. Then came a young buck. Shall I tell you the summary of this paragraph ka summary is this. Now first, when everybody was standing capturing their position, so first who came? Doe, female deer. Then comes buck, small little bucks means small little deer. I let him pass. Students, I let him pass matlab, why the narrator let him pass? I can ask you in oral test or in a very short question. The narrator let them pass. So जब दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ जुड़ता है तो then we say them ना. So the narrator let them pass because he was targeting, he wanted to shoot only this grey bird. उसका निशाना, इस narrator का निशाना कौन था? This grey bird. So उसके पहले जो भी आए जाए, he was not bothered. Okay, now what happened, students? Muzzle. Now he was waiting. कभी ना कभी तो ये ग्रे बर्ड आएगा ही आएगा. Okay, so muzzle. Here one word is a hard word, muzzle. Every meaning I have written, students, so that when I will send you the pictures, you will find it easy. Muzzle मतलब होता है front part of the face. तो बुश में वो उसका चेहरा नहीं ना दिखे नरेटर का. So he started hiding his front face. आगे का चेहरा, that nose, flips part, forehead part, वो छिपाने लगा. कौन? Narrator. Then now his ambition, he was full of ambition. He was behaving like a hero, and he wanted to, because his desire was about to come true, because he wanted to shoot the grey bird. अब उसका main target क्या था? ग्रे बर्ड को मारना. वही टाइम आ रहा था. तो he was thrilled and he was very happy, very excited. Next, look at this. Yet something made me hold my fire. The buck had turned his head now, and now is great. अब क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे the grey bird started coming. और जब ग्रे बर्ड आता रहता है उस नरेटर के पास, तो everything, the thap thap, the sound of the foot also starts coming. और ऐसा लगता है नरेटर को कि सारा माहौल, इन्वायरमेंट शांत हो गया. जैसे कैसे शेर आता है एकदम शांत करके, वैसे वो एकदम पूरा मेजेस्टिकली अच्छे से चलते हुए आ रहा है. देयर वॉज, अब क्या है, कुछ डिस्टेंस पे नरेटर वॉज स्टैंडिंग with his, he was hiding, I can't say standing, he was hiding with his gun to shoot, ready to shoot. And with few distance, who was there? Grey bird was there. My God. Now as soon as the narrator looked at the grey bird, he as if he felt in love with the grey bird. He was looking very pride. There was pride and dignity. This line is important. There was pride and dignity in every line of the body. I knew suddenly that I could not destroy him. So एक प्राइड था. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आया ग्रे बर्ड और दुम दबा के भागने लगा. वो ऐसा नहीं किया था. वो he was standing and there was dignity. His eyes was red, and after some time he started looking at the narrator. Oh my God. And the narrator was like anything. He was hell afraid. एकदम तो he was very much afraid. और उसका तो एकदम हो गया कि अब तो ये ग्रे बर्ड हम क्या इसको मारेंगे, ये छलांग लगा के हम ही को खा जाएगा. He was looking very red eyed and continuously he was looking at the boy. When the drive was over, my father, now at last what happened, guys, he was not able to kill the grey bird. उसको इतना हिम्मत ही नहीं जुटा पाया कि वो ग्रे बर्ड को मार सके, क्योंकि ग्रे बर्ड का चलने का तरीका, देखने का तरीका, हिज मेजेस्ट. और उसको एक चीज बहुत अच्छा लगा. Now look at this. When the drive was over, my father came up the slope. I unloaded my gun and pushed the shells back. So बस जब सारा टाइमिंग खत्म हो गया तो सब लोग अपने अपने पोजीशन से बाहर निकलने लगे. एंड सब लोग अपना गन अनलोड कर दिए और चले गए. कहीं ना कहीं see, if I talk about the boy, that is a narrator, he was happy also, at the same time he was disappointed. Okay, understood, students? But why he was disappointed? Because he was not able to kill the grey bird, or shall I say he didn't want to kill the grey bird. वो मार सकता था लेकिन वो मारा नहीं. ओके, क्योंकि उसमें एक ऐसा खूबी दिखा, जैसे वो सोचने लगा ये हम लोग का प्राइड है, ये एनिमल कैटेगरी हम लोग का प्राइड है, हम लोग का एक ये है सिंबल है, इसको नहीं मारना चाहिए, हमको मार कर क्या मिलेगा. सो ही couldn't kill that grey bird. So his father came and they went. सब लोग अपने अपने sorry students. So सब लोग अपने अपने जीप में बैठकर चले गए वापस. तो जैसे ही वो लोग जा रहे थे in the jeep, in the vehicle, father and son was also sitting. But my father's silence had put a constraint upon us. तो उसको लगा कि मेरे पापा शायद हमसे नाराज हैं. और इज माई फादर नॉट प्राउड ऑफ मी, कि आप मेरे पापा को मेरे पर घमंड नहीं है. बिकॉज आई प्रॉमिस्ड हिम दैट टुडे इज माई फर्स्ट हंट डे, एंड इन द फर्स्ट हंट डे आई विल किल दैट ग्रे बर्ड, बट आई कुडंट किल दैट ग्रे बर्ड, आई कुडंट शूट. कहीं पापा हमसे गुस्सा तो नहीं है. फाइनली ही आस्क्ड, हु आस्क्ड? फादर आस्क्ड सन, व्हाट हैपेंड सन, व्हाई आर यू सो क्वाइट? शाइली में शर्म से, stubbornly में स्टम्बल करना, तुतलाना. I tried to tell him. So वो बताना चाह रहा था, वो नहीं मार पाए, लेकिन वो ना बता के वो सब कुछ डिस्क्राइब करने लगा about the grey bird and how beautiful that grey beard was looking. He was walking so majestically. His eyesight, his way of running and escaping, everything he liked. So वो सब कुछ अपने पेरेंट्स फादर को बताने लगा. Okay, my father was, at last students, now the narrator is telling my father was silent for a moment and then he said slowly. It's a very interesting chapter, students. Now look at the conclusion of the chapter. You have learned something today, son. कि बेटा तुमने आज कुछ सीखा है. Something that many men live a lifetime without knowing. He put an arm around my shoulders. So वो अपना कंधा मेरे कंधे पर रखकर बोलते, You have learned compassion. Students, what do you mean by compassion? Compassion मतलब होता है दया, pity, sympathy. Okay? He said softly. वो धीरे से बोलते कि बेटा आज तुमने बहुत बड़ा सबक सीखा है, वो है compassion. कंपैशन, दया, पिटी, जो बहुत लोग नहीं जानते हैं. कितने लोग बस खाली हंटिंग करते हैं just to make themselves happy, but you have not bothered of fulfilling your desire of killing this grey bird, but you have saved him because you liked him and you felt that this kind of animals can be a symbol of a pride. Thank you, students.